You can literally have an international business from your hobbies starting today, starting right now. This is how easy it is to open your Etsy store. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha. I make one video every week on careers, skills development, and entrepreneurship. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can open your Etsy store and make your first listing. And for those of you who don't know what Etsy is an e-commerce marketplace similar to Amazon but very different. So if you want to know more about Etsy, I did a video on that. I'll leave the link for you in the description box below so you can check that out. So without wasting much time, we're going to dive right into opening your Etsy store. And to get started, you're going to need to download the Etsy app either on your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, or alternatively through your browser on etsy.com. Once you're at the main page, you want to scroll to the bottom where it says Sell on Etsy, bringing you to this next page that's got some vital information for you regarding the fee structures, the tools, and support available to you as a seller on Etsy. I highly recommend that you take some moments to look at the seller handbook, because this is information that Etsy is providing you to tell you how the system works in order for you to excel. So it's always good to work with the system. We just move ahead and open the account and pop in our details. And I also suggest that you have a separate email for your business so that you don't get like these urgent sales or communication from your buyers mixed in with other random emails that may not be so urgent. So as for setting your store preferences here, you're just going to be choosing the language that you want your store to be in, the country that you're in, and the currency that you want your store to be trading in. And setting your store name can actually be really exciting or tedious depending on how common your name is. So just pop it in there and check if it's available. If it's available, you get a thumbs up and this name is available. If it's not, it will tell you and you will have some alternative suggestions. So now it's time to stock up the store, and in order to move on to the next step, you need to list at least one product. So we're going to go ahead and do that. I've already selected my product pictures and put them in a folder. So I'll just go ahead and open that, put them in. And these pictures are showing the product at different angles, showing the product how it is when it's worn, and the product size and other details. So here you could also upload a video if you like. But for now, I just need to make sure that my thumbnail is square on in that box. The title is really important as well. Just use your keywords in there, search engine optimizing your title. And we can always speak more about this. Just let me know in the comment section below if you want us to talk about the titles and anything else that you want us to talk about. Just help me know which direction you want us to take this, or some things may be more clear than others. But you are going to need to put in as much information as you can about your product so that your product comes up higher on the search list and particularly goes in front of the right person at the right time. That's what you really want to do. So whoever is looking for your product or the type of product, you want it to show up on their screen. As for the automatic renewals, it's automatically set by Etsy to go on automatic, but you can always adjust it to the manual. This is once you've made your listings, they will be listed and active for 3 months and then expire. So once that period lapses, you want to choose, do you want it to be automatic or manual? Your description is another really important tool that you're going to need, because customers want to know the details of the product, the size, what it's made of. Any information that you can give a lot of information, but not too much, but just give as much as you can. You can also make use of tags and put your product in a particular section, so you can actually have different products and section out your store. Pop your price. Your pricing structure is really up to you, but I also recommend that you include your shipping in there so that you offer free shipping. You'll see that Etsy absolutely loves free shipping. And I like to keep my lead time really low, because I know people don't like to wait too long after they've purchased their product. So if you can, try and speed up your delivery process and you'll find favor with your buyers. And again, like this free delivery, Etsy absolutely loves it. So where possible, try and factor in your shipping or delivery charges into your price so that you don't have to charge it separately. Stocking your shop, guys. So with Etsy, they recommend that you start with 10 products, but I know people who have started and excelled with 1 or 2 products. So for now, we're just going to move on to the next stage and get our money. So that this page, you're going to put in the details of how you want to get paid, your bank details or PayPal account if you have one. So just input your details there and save it. So of course, you're going to need to get paid. It's a business after all. Once that's done, you're going to need to set up your billing. This is how Etsy will take money from you. This is money for your listings. It's going to be 20 cents per listing, and then also extra if you want to advertise your products. We can always talk about it on a separate video. For now, we go ahead and open the shop. Just give it a few minutes. And well done, that's it. Your store is open. You can now edit your profile photo. You can add in some details of videos and tell your story. Add videos and show people the behind the scenes of where you're making your awesome stuff. And that's about it, guys. It's really this simple to open your Etsy store and make your listings. But my top tips for you today are that make sure your pictures are really good. The amazing thing is they don't all have to be on white background, as is the requirement for Amazon. So you really can get more creative with your pictures. So really use this feature and allow yourself to get really creative with your pictures. Be sure to give a detailed description of your product in the description box, as well as you use those tags. But most importantly, use the information, the workbook that Etsy provides for you, because in this, they are telling you how the system works and they are literally handing it to you and making it easy for you to succeed with this platform, because they're telling you how it works and what the system picks up and what you need to do for the system to pick you up and put you up higher on those searches. So guys, I really hope that you've liked this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments for me in the comment section below if there's anything that you want me to touch on, and I'm more than happy to explain or further elaborate on anything that you feel I may have rushed on or that you want me to explain further. I'm more than happy to do that for you. So leave your questions, thoughts, and feedback in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and I will see you on the next one.